All right, so I got a great one here for you today. So a lot of you probably heard about the incredible benefits of doing regular breath work. Well, today I want to share with you one breathwork technique that has blown away my clients' anxiety. And for me that suffered with autoimmune for a long period of time, this one breath really helped me break through a lot of the anxieties and traumas that my nervous system had been clinging to. And it's something that's so simple that you can do every day. So for those of you who are new to the channel, my name's Thomas Garbarino, and I have been for the last 20 years helping folks heal their chronic illness from within. And the way I do that is I help teach them to get inside, to connect with the power of their heart center. And through that, through other techniques like breath work, tapping, and meditation, some of these things apply. As we deepen into the nervous system, it can heal itself. So today, we're gonna do the one breath that is referred to commonly. Maybe you know it, a lot of you, maybe some of you it's new to you, but it's called box breathing. And the way it works is we keep a consistent number. Let's say it's 4 or 5. So we count to those 4 or 5 seconds, and we intentionally breathe in for that amount of time, and then we hold the breath for that same amount of time, and then we exhale for that same amount of time, and then we again hold for that amount of time. And so it creates like this box, right? Now, why is that so important? Because often when we're struggling with anxiety, or we have some shock or trauma that's come up to the surface, or we just feel really dysregulated in our day, often what happens is this is a clear indicator that your nervous system, of course, is dysregulated. And so what it typically means is you're probably in a sympathetic dominant state, fight or flight, and your body's activated with some adrenaline, some cortisol in your system. This breath technique is really a simple way that you can do with your own nervous system to downregulate out of the sympathetic and introduce a little bit more of that parasympathetic. And what you'll find is, we'll do here in a moment, is just within a couple minutes, you'll see how much your nervous system will change, how much your mind gets a little more spacious, how much your tissues in your body start to release and relax. And it makes me think of a client that recently had severe insomnia and lots of anxiety, tremendous workload, big family, basically had been like shouldering through their life and in a way that was depleting them and was creating migraines and no sleep and all these symptoms. Anyway, we do this technique, and with one session, they're completely released all their anxiety in that moment. And they've continued to do it, and since then they don't have migraines, they now have sleep better. So it can be so profound. It can be so profound. Again, this isn't the end-all say-all of breath work. This is just one technique. I teach a whole bunch of really amazing different types of breath work that are conducive for that healing mechanism in the body to allow that to heal more. So if you want more details, I got links below that you can check out. But let's go ahead and give you an experience of this together with me, okay? So what I want you to do is just get in a comfortable place. Just take a few breaths in, and as you do that, I want you to raise your shoulders up a little bit. And let them go. And really this time when you lift your shoulders up, I want you also to lift up the diaphragm. Like expand the diaphragm up. Increase the capacity in your ribs. And release. I'm gonna do that one more time because it's hard to talk and do that, so. There we go. Good. And if you will, you can close your eyes and just listen to my voice. And I'm gonna do the timing for you. So we're gonna do 5 seconds on each one, okay? We'll do it for a couple minutes. So get ready. and begin. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then just take an inhalation in, fully in and out. Do that one more time. Beautiful. So you can see, maybe you noticed that for some of you, it might have been harder through the inhalation or the exhalation, or the holding on the inhalation or the holding on the exhalation. This is all showing you where your patterns of blockage in your nervous system and your breathing mechanism. And hopefully what you're aware of is that that shifted through this. If it hasn't yet, I recommend doing it again or expanding and extending this to a little bit longer. But what you'll find over time is it will balance itself out, and any stress, any anxiety that you're holding on to will start to dissipate out of your system. And that is the real benefit, because it's really hard to heal. It's really hard to overcome a situation or circumstance in your life if you're in that constant stress. So this is a game changer to help you neutralize any stress, any anxiety in your system, so you can begin the first steps, or maybe prolonged steps of healing. So like I said, there's plenty of links below to check out. I recommend checking out this video I have especially for you that want to go further with healing yourself. I've been working with people for the last 20 years with helping autoimmune, cancer, infertility, you name it. I've worked with it. And like I said, we do this with the powerful techniques of breathing and accessing the heart center. So thank you all for tuning in, and please like, subscribe, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below how this landed for you. If you noticed this change inside you, that is the key, to have that awareness of that. So I'd love to hear from you down below. Till then, have a blessed day, everyone.